Hello everyone. So in this lecture, I'm going to teach you how to render a denim fabric. Okay, let me just set this up. Great. So first of all, create new and custom the file by 250 and 250. Keep the resolution 75 because we are making a small file. We just need to make a pattern. So for this, we're just creating a small file. Okay. You can also change the name here. And for the background, for now, just keep it white, or else you can keep it transparent, right? But for now, just keep it white. I don't have that option of making it transparent. So now you have your space here. So go to the rectangle tool. So don't use this tool. This is not the rectangle. This is rectangular marquee tool, but you need to use this tool, rectangular tool, this one. Okay. Press shift on your keyboard and make a box like this. Great. So when your box is done, as you can see here, we have this one shape here named as rectangular one. Okay. Now, when you go to the upper side, when you can see here, remove the stroke, do this, click on this. So it will remove the stroke here. So if you're taking a denim of bright color, so you can use the black color here. And if you're making a denim of dark color, you can make this box as take any color which is bright. Now select this, click on this, and Control C and Control V. Just press Control C and Control V. It will copy and paste here. So for some students, Control C and Control V doesn't work, and sometimes it just sticks on this part. So if you're gonna press like Control C and Control V, sometimes it just stick on this only. So try to move it and check कि वो कहाँ पे आया है. Okay, this is the first part. Now merge both of the layers. Press Control on the keyboard and click on the another layer. So now both of the layers are selected. Right click on this and merge the shapes. Remember, always work on merge the shapes. Don't do anything else. Just click on merge shapes. Again, another option, right click on the layer and you can select duplicate layer. Press OK. Now your layer is selected. As you can see, it's not visible anywhere else, but it got copied on this only. Okay. So you can follow the rules with the Photoshop. As you can see on the board, the pink line. So follow the lines, and that's how you can make it. You can align these according to these parameters, according to these guidelines. Sorry. Again, do the same. Press Control on the keyboard and select the layers. Press right click and merge shapes. Okay, so now we have this one shape here all combined together. Again, press Control C, that is copy on your keyboard, and press Control V all together. So now we have this shape here. Again, align it like this. Perfect. Now press Control on your keyboard. Select both of the layers. Right click and merge shapes. So as you can see here, so for this pattern, I want you to align the boxes like this. ये यहाँ पे जो box आ रहा है इसको भी तुम्हें proper align करना पड़ेगा. So now press Control T. Okay, and see our box is थोड़ा सा artboard से बाहर. So just fix it like this. It's done. Okay, remove the eye from here. Now go to edit and define pattern. So when you're defining the pattern, you can see there are boxes here. So that means the layer is transparent. For now, we are just making patterns. And for the pattern, we just need these boxes. So this is very important for you guys to remember. When we are defining the pattern, it's going to select that layer जो यहाँ पे आपका selected है in the layers. So make sure your background is transparent like this. It will give you these boxes wala pattern. So if the boxes wala pattern is visible, so the layer is transparent. So I'm gonna name it denim pattern and press OK. Great. So this is the first step of making a denim pattern. Now we're going to start with the second pattern. Okay. Same thing. Go to File, New, and now make a file of 3000 plus 3000 width and height, and the resolution, keep the resolution 300. And create the file. So now we have a bigger file. As you can see, पहले वाला जो file था उसका resolution भी हमने कम लिया था और उसका जो height और width था वो भी हमने बहुत कम लिया था. So comparatively, this pattern is smaller on this artboard we have because the size जो है that is bigger. Okay. So first of all, just double click on the layer, and that's how you can open the layer. Close this. Now make a new layer and another new layer. Rename one layer as gray and rename this layer as blue because we are working on denim, and I'm going to make classic blue denim. Let's delete this layer for now. Okay, fill this blue layer with blue color. For this, right click on the three dots and try to find the paint bucket tool. As you can see here, press G on your keyboard and you're going to find paint bucket tool. So now we have paint bucket tool. Our layer is selected. Pick the blue color. So I'm going to pick this color. And okay, it's not working. Add the pattern foreground. Okay, let's just work with the brush. Fine. Again, blue color, blue named layer, and fill the color. You can also use the bucket tool, but it's not working on this. So I'm just going to use the paintbrush tool. Okay, I'm going to make it a little dark. Yeah, this is perfect. Great. So now it's done. Again, coming back to the blue, to the gray. Just click on the gray layer and select gray color. I'm gonna pick this gray tone. Again, going to the brush tool, filling up the layer with gray color. Okay, now let's start with the gray. Go to filter and go to the noise and just click on add noise. You can reduce the amount and keep it uniform and monochrome. So monochrome, of course, you know what is monochrome, and press OK. Right. So as you know, the denim के अंदर diagonal lines आते हैं. So we're gonna add that texture to give more of like denim feel. So we're gonna add that texture in the gray part. Okay. Again, go to filter and select on blur and motion blur. So as you can see, कि पहले जब हमने noise किया था, it was just dots on the board. Now fix the angle on diagonal and just press OK, or you can just work with these lines also. I'm gonna just do this. Press OK. Done. Hide the layer. Again, coming back to the blue, go to the filter, add noise, and reduce the amount a little bit. It is selected monochrome, and press OK. Fine. Now our pattern is done, right? So look into your layer wala part, and as you can see, there is this half moon symbol. This one. As you can see, my cursor is moving. So you need to click on this and select pattern. सो यहाँ पे आपको पैटर्न दिख जाएगा जो हमने प्रीवियस स्लाइड पे सेव किया है, और अगर नहीं दिख रहा है सो यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दिस ड्रॉप डाउन एंड यहाँ पे आपका जो सिलेक्टेड रिसेंट सिलेक्टेड पैटर्न होगा वो आ जाएगा. सो आई गॉट टू नो कि लास्ट टाइम पैटर्न क्यों नहीं आया था, बिकॉज वी डिडंट सिलेक्टेड द लेयर्स. लाइक एज यू कैन सी इन दिस पैटर्न, इसमें पीछे वाला जो है ना वो ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं है, एंड दैट्स वाई गॉट वाइट लाइक दैट. ओके, बट यू नीड टू जस्ट सिलेक्ट दिस पैटर्न जिसके अंदर पीछे वाला जो लेयर है वो ट्रांसपेरेंट होना चाहिए. फाइन, नाउ द लेयर इज सिलेक्टेड. Reduce the size and press OK. So as you can see, it's giving a lot of denim ka color, right? Denim pattern. I'm gonna zoom it if it's not that visible. Okay, I think it's still visible, but ऐसे ज़्यादा अच्छे से पता चल रहा है. Yeah, you can always reduce the size or increase the size of pattern. Just wait. Now open the gray layer. I open the gray layer and यहाँ पे just मेरा laptop hang हो रहा है. Great. So select like from these जहाँ पे भी तुम्हारा best denim का pattern आ रहा है. So with multiply it's giving this color. Light color पे ये आ रहा है, ठीक है, and difference पे ये subtract पे ये वाला color आ रहा है, divide पे ये color आ रहा है. So basically it's just gonna add more texture. अगर इस वाली layer को light कर देंगे तो कैसा आएगा, ग्रे वाली लेयर को, या फिर डार्क कर देंगे तो किस तरह से कलर आएगा, या फिर मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो किस तरह से कलर आएगा. आई रियली लाइक दिस पैटर्न, सो आई एम गोना जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस एंड ऑन द ब्लू लेयर मे बी आई एम गोना ऐड मोर ऑफ more noise to it. So I'm just gonna click on add noise and increase the noise a little bit and press OK. Go to the gray layer and reduce the size, reduce the opacity. Okay. So this is your denim pattern. I'm just gonna click on this and I'm gonna scale it to maybe 3 and press OK. Okay, maybe not. Fine, this is perfect. This is your denim pattern and that's all you need to do. for applying this denim pattern to any garment in your Photoshop, I'm going to make a tutorial for that only, and I'm going to add that tutorial in this video. But for now, just try this on. I want you to do जितना अभी तक मैंने यहाँ पे समझाया, just do this much. If you're not able to see the pattern here, so these lines are the most important thing. And if you want to add, one more layer to it, just make one more layer, add layer one ka, and you can add shadows or ये सब चीजें यहाँ पे, but keep the pattern always on the top, of course. And then you can work on this layer. Let's say I'm going to take brush tool, reduce the opacity and the flow. I'm going to keep the hardness 0, reduce the size. Okay, this is perfect. And going to pick the dark shade of blue, something like this. Increase the size a little bit and just add थोड़ा थोड़ा color यहाँ पे. Okay, now white, and just too much color, too much color. Reduce the opacity, and let's just give it थोड़ा सा white in here. Perfect. So now this is giving the texture of denim, like faded denim, something like that. Always give this thing. सबसे ऊपर तुम्हारा पैटर्न वाला लेयर ही आना चाहिए, देन दिस लेयर, और उसके नीचे तुम्हारा ग्रे वाला एंड देन ब्लू वाला. इफ आई एम गोना रिमूव द ग्रे वाला, इट्स गोना गिव यू दिस टेक्सचर, बिकॉज हमने ब्लू वाले के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा नॉइस ऐड कर दिया. बट ग्रे वाला टेक्सचर क्या होगा, थोड़ा सा उसको बैलेंस कर देता है, क्योंकि डेनिम का जब हम देखते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ द वीव, इट गिव्स यू दैट टेक्सचर कि वहाँ पे व्हाइट एंड ग्रे के टोन्स भी आते हैं. फाइन, सो दिस इज इट, एंड थैंक you so much.